You're cute.
You got nice eyes.
Oh no. Have you ever been in an embarrassing situation like this? Does the fact that you've got no lips hold you back? Yes, unfortunately, Kevin and Lisa suffer from the common disease lipopia. Till now, known cures were collagen implants and going under the knife for nasty cosmetic surgery. Introducing Fabolips. Made from chip fat and washing machine oil, Fabolips has taken the hassle out of great looking lips. Bring on those Luba lips, this is another miracle product from Shonky Direct. Watch the transformation before your very eyes. Simply apply it to the lips, and in no time at all you'll be thanking the gods for your fabulous new lips. You'll love your new look. Glorious large lips in no time at all. No more beating yourself up about thin lips. With Fabolips, you can kiss your lip worries goodbye. Dial 1-800-SHONKY to order. That's 1-800-SHONKY to order. Fabolips, your answer to great looking lips. Only $29.95 plus $150 postage, no refunds available.